everyone, my name is Anukriti Goswami and my team members are Anushka Tyagi and Anya Singh. Today we are here to present our final year project demonstration. Our project topic is House That Movie, the recommendation system that can predict your movie taste. We are done our project under the valuable guidance of Dr. K.K. Agarwal sir. Introduction. Recommendation system involves the predicting users' preferences for unseen items such as movies, songs, or books. Recommendation system provides the relevant data to increase the sales. A recommendation system is a type of information filtering system. This system helps to predict the preferences of a user and make suggest decision based on their preferences and taste. As we know that the recommendation system becomes more popular because of everything is available online platforms. Flowchart. Here is a flowchart of our movie recommendation system. First of all, we are collect the data from the datasets and then extract the file of the user's record from the database. Then work on the user's ratings. As we can easily analyze ratings and other users and also check the user similarities. That means which users like which movie and recommends based on their similarities and ratings. Next is the abstract. Recommendation system filters the data using different algorithms and provide the best items to the user. These systems are able to collect information about users' choices and can use this information to improve their suggestions. This system can also suggest a set of the movies to the users based on their interest and the popularities. Here is the architecture of movie recommendation system. Users give the ratings to each and every movie, and these ratings are stored in the database. The performing some computations on the datasets of the movie. After that, we are applying some algorithms like use K nearest neighbor algorithm, and then suggest a new movie to the users based on their predictions. Here is the user case diagram. We have here, there are user, content creator and the admin on the another side. User can search there for their movies, view, subscribe and comment, like for the movie and also give ratings on their interest. And the content creator upload the movies and give the information related to the movies to the users. On the other hand, the admin is the review all of the data and provide the relevant recommendation to the users based on their preferences and taste. There are some technologies that we used in our project. First is the Python. Python is very interpreted language and high level language. It helps in movie recommendation system and it's including the procedural and object oriented functioning programming. Next is the Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application language. There are the main two approaches of our system. First is content-based filtering system. The another one is collaborative-based filtering system. In this, the system recommends the items based on their profiles. It takes the comparison items between the profile and items profile and the user profile. In this, for the recommendation system, the only one user's profile is sufficient. No other need to the other user's profile. Next is the collaborative filtering based system. The collaborative based filtering system approach is to model from users' past behavior as well as a decision made by the others user's profile. There are basically two collaborative based filtering. One is user based filtering and another is item based filtering. Collaborative based filtering used for the overcome the limitations of the content based filtering. So the collaborative filtering based on the system provide the best relevant recommendation to the users. Here is the algorithm that we are used in our project, that is KNN algorithm. It is also known as K nearest neighbor algorithm. The KNN algorithm is a machine learning supervised technique algorithm. Basically, it assumes the similarities between the new data and the available past data. It helps to find out the similarities between the both sets of the data. The KNN algorithm stores all of the data available and classifies the new data based on their similarities. This means when data appears, then it can be easily classified into a well-suited categories by the KNN algorithm. The KNN algorithm is used for the classifications of the problems. Next, there are some steps that we are going go through. There are mainly 6 steps. The step 1 is the how many numbers of the k nearest neighbor. Then next step we are calculate the equivalent distance of the k nearest neighbor number. The next step is we are the amongst of the nearest neighbor number, count the smallest distance between the k nearest neighbor number. Here is the conclusion. As we know that in our project we discuss the KNN algorithm, then there are some advantages of the KNN algorithms, like it is simple to implement. There is a less noisy training data sets, and it is more effective for the large amount of the data sets. There are some references where we collect our data, and it helps in our project.
This is the code of our movie recommendation system through which we will be able to get the recommendation of our movies in a very simple manner. Here we have used a function get movie recommendation, in which if we write a movie name, we'll get the related or the similar 10 movies. Like here we have taken Jumanji, and here are the 10 similar movies. And here if I take another movie like Iron Man, here are the another 10 similar movies of the Iron Man which we are able to see. Now we'll show you our front end of the project.
This is the login page where the user first have to register themselves, like username, then write email ID, then password, and then again confirm the password. Then create the login register, then open login page, then write username, then write password, then login. After this, our home page will open, where we are able to see many movies here. If we click on any movies, like click on movie list, then show many movies, and we click movie, then this is appear in which we are able to see about the movie related, like this. And thank you.